in the kitchen remodel, there is many things to consider. Said it and I'll say it again. It's not a simple answer about what's right, what's wrong when you consider in an island size. There is many factors that you need to take under consideration. Like, for example, how many of us there is in a family? How many people do I need to sit on island, right? I like to bake. I don't care about bacon, so I don't need that much space, right? But hold on a second, because I like to host, and as a host, I have so much things to put on the island as dishes, right? So we can eat and so on and so forth. The era of having a mini island and a small table by the mini island is over. You have a dining room, and you can use your dining room for the big holidays thing. Don't design your kitchen for only those 4-5 holidays for the year, because you're going to get tired to have to go around those spacings for those 4 or 5 days in a year. So what you need to consider is everyday use. How big of an island is big? Well, if you know anything about me, you know that I love big islands. Everybody knows that, right? The ones that I push the seam to the point of having no seam, right? The whole size of the countertop, because we can and you can. Why do I like that? Because the island allows you the best spacing and functionality. I always say that a peninsula, for most part, is a mistake because it blocks you in. Versus an island, you can go around it. And if the spacing is correct, right, and if it's allowed the inches that you need from the perimeter to the island, it's the perfect way to work and walk around your kitchen. Always think of 2 people at least being able at all the time to function in that kitchen. So if one is in the sink, then the other one is on the island. If one is in the oven or on a range, the other one is on the island. They all have to be able to function, because you don't want to create this kitchen where you are stuck cooking and cleaning by yourself all the time. Oh, no. They ate it, they gotta help clean at least, right? So again, we're talking about a medium-sized house. The kitchen is, let's say, about 250, 200 to 250 square feet. You can easily do a 96 by 48 island. You shouldn't have any problem doing that. Island, no peninsula, island. You need to be able to have 40 inches minimum between the stove to the island and between the sink, respective dishwasher, to the island, right? Same with the fridge, okay? Big islands work. Food is what brings people and family together. What is best to have them sitting right there on island as you're finishing up cooking and just talking about what has happened lately, what's going on, and so on. The smell of good food with the space to put the food for people to sit, to be snacking as they're waiting on you to finish, or help you cut and prep or clean, whatever, brings us all together. Kitchens with us is not only about spending money and creating something, right? It's about functions, beauty, creating memories, being emotional. That's it.